So for problem 4, so we are asked to compute for the price earnings ratio, no? So ang formula nun is market price per share divided by earnings per share. So ang given sa atin, pwede ko na sigurong basahin yung problem kasi maikli lang naman siya. A company has an earnings per share of 2 pesos, a book value per share of 20 pesos, and a market book ratio of 1.2 times. So, yun po yung given sa atin. Earnings per share, 2 pesos. Book value per share, 20 pesos. Tsaka market book value of 1.2 times. So, let's now start solving this. So, yung market book ratio, no, ang formula nun is, well, obviously, is market price per share divided by books or book value per share. So, by substitution, no, so 1.2 equals market price per share divided by 20. So, you will arrive at market price per share na 24 by algebraic manipulation. Now, price earnings ratio, ang formula niya, no, substitute lang natin, no, yung market price per share na na-compute natin kanina, yung 24, and then 2 pesos na book value per share na given naman yata. 2 pesos na earnings per share rather, no, given siya. So, price earnings ratio is 12. So, yun na po yung ating solution sa problem 4.